What up, you guys? Thank you for tuning into another video. We got old Juicy Juice, bruh, just chilling right there. You're so dumb, bro. Okay, that should be a lot better, a lot wider. So right now, we are gonna be continuing the wrap on the SI. As you can see here, I already got the two front fenders already wrapped. Ooh, don't mind that. Ooh, I can see that. I did just start on the rear quarter panel yesterday, and as you can see, I already got this part wrapped. So a majority of the left side is wrapped. I'm gonna do the door today, as well as the door handle, and then the roof. And then after that, all we really need to do is the trunk, front bumper, rear bumper, and side skirts. So that should be relatively easy. I'm gonna be looking at a video on how to remove the interior piece for the inside, because we do need to take off the door handles, because I want to do it fully and the right way. To get today started, I'm gonna take this apart, and I'm also gonna be cleaning the door too, because we did paint in here, so there's a lot of overspray. I'll be just clay barring that side so that we can have a clean surface for the wrap to stick to. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, you should not paint inside your garage and let just the air particles go all over your wrap car. So now that that's clean, we'll wipe it down with the alcohol. Then we can get to taking off the door panel for the car. You know, the SI's been sitting here for a long time. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's some spider webs inside the car. So first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop off the interior trimming piece so that we can get to the door handle, so that we can take that off. I think the first thing we have to do, let me look it up, I believe it's getting this part out. Back to the crib, show you how to live. Alright guys, so we got this little piece off that's on the inside right here. You just need a little flathead screwdriver to be taking it off. It's a little piece that sticks right there. I got the side piece off. I should be wrapping this in black. I really want to wrap this in black. It'll look a lot better. And then so now we are going to be using a screwdriver, because there is a screw in there, as you can see. We're going to be taking that out as well. Oops. Alright, so we got that part off. We got this piece off. Now there's two bolts, like one here, and I believe like one here that you got to take off too. Josh, copyright, shut up. Yeah. Alright, you can play it after this. Go. Alright guys, then you have that little rivet thing right there, as you can see right here. You push that in, and then you take this part off too, which is pretty easy. So I'll get to that and I'll show you guys after. This off, now what you need to do is you just need to pop off this whole panel. It's literally just held on by like the tab, so just pop it off. Then after that, you'll be able to remove it just by lifting it up. So careful, because you do have stuff still stuck on here. Give me 1 second. There's gonna be these two parts right here that you're gonna need to take off as well. Now what you can do is just pop this out and then turn it, and then you'll be able to fully take it out. Hopefully you guys can see this. Alright, so just pull it, turn it, and you'll be able to take off your door panel. And then there's also going to be something connected right here. I believe it might be for the speaker. So you just gotta take that out and plug it in, and then you'll be able to take this off. Alright guys, so after you do that, there is gonna be this little piece right here that I already took off, but it's gonna be on the inside there. It's connected to something, but this part right here, you're gonna need to take it out. Then you break this hole right here, and then there's gonna be a 10 mil in there, as well as a 10 mil in there that holds both the door handles. So you're gonna take that off with the 10 mil and an extension, and then after that, you should be able to get the door handles off. So after like 30 minutes of messing with it, I finally got it off. I'm gonna clean most of this part right here, so that it has a cleaner surface to mate onto, and then we'll be using the wrap onto this. So let's get that started. Man, it's been some time. It's dark outside already, but I was in my groove. Sorry guys. But just know I did get the side door done, or the door. This was pretty hard, man, because like what I had to do was like, we had to take this out obviously, but then one of the hardest parts about this whole thing was just like trying to get those things inside there. I started using a heat gun this time, and oh boy, it's so much easier. Like literally just use a heat gun, guys. Like I don't know why I haven't done the heat gun method. I don't know what I was thinking I'd just do all of this whole car basically without a heat gun, but dude, use a heat gun, so much easier. It makes everything so much more stretchy, and it also goes over the car a lot easier too. So yeah, now this is done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep the roof, and we'll see if I get to do the roof today. If not, it's okay, but if we do, then cool. If anything, I'll just prep the roof. But I'll also take off my rear spoiler and probably start doing that inside my room, because I'm tired of just sitting in this garage, like tools everywhere, like trying to get this wrap job done. But yeah, oh shit. Oh, my monster. Yeah, don't put your monster on the floor next to your workspace. But yeah, the door's done. I'm gonna put the inside interior panel back, and then after that, I'll be good to go. Guys, it is the next day. Today we're gonna be working on the roof of the car. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clay bar it. I already cleaned it up a little bit last night, but I will clay bar it now so that it's super clean, so that the adhesive can stick to it. Also, shout out to Harbor Freight for always having the deals. Got this light right here. It is magnet, so you can stick it onto anything. It literally helped me when I was putting stuff back into the interior door pieces. But yeah, so far we're making really good progress on the wrap. It is starting to look a little bit more maroon rather than just like straight up red. Alright, now that it's all clean, we're gonna do the roof part. It's gonna be pretty hard because this is my first time doing it, so I have like no one to help me, but I have a plan and I have a goal that we're gonna get through this, guys. That's why I got these magnets, because they do help hold on to the other side. So we're gonna be putting it on the other side, and then we're gonna basically gloss over the roof so we could get a better thing for it, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, got it all done. Now I'm just gonna basically cut around and make sure that it's perfect around the edges. Then we're good for this video, man. It's stupid hot in Antioch right now. Like every time I do a wrap, I'm like sweating bullets, bro. So yeah, let's get this. Alright guys, we got the roof all done and it looks pretty good. I mean, I messed up a little bit when I was tucking this part in. You can see it on this side right here where it kind of bunched up a little bit, but no big deal, honestly. First time for me, and my lines aren't super clean, but like I said before, it's good. It's all good. First time ever doing this, so yeah. I don't know if this video is gonna be short. Hopefully it's not, but if it is, hope you guys stay tuned for what else I have to come for this car. What we're gonna do next time I come back is we're definitely gonna be doing the trunk, because I do have to get rid of the spoiler, fill in the holes, because I don't want to run a spoiler anymore on this one, or we'll see how I feel about that spoiler part. But yeah, fill up the holes for now. I'm gonna be taking off part the SI badge, this Honda badge, as well as a Civic badge, and then we will get on to doing the other rear quarter panel as well as the other door. Then all that's left is going to be all the side skirts, rear bumper, and all that stuff. Okay guys, I got basically some of the badging off. Yeah, but it's gonna be it for today's video. Got that debadged. All there is left to do is this part, as well as the other side of the vehicle. Then after that, we should be good with the wrap. Oh, as well as the front and rear bumpers. But yeah, hopefully this video is okay for you guys. Hopefully it's not too boring. I know it's just me wrapping the car, but literally this is the thing that's just like, this is the thing I need to do. And I'm trying to get it done before Spokon, because I will be going to Spokon August 11th. So if you guys are gonna go out there, say what's up to your boy. That's gonna conclude today's video. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys build humbly. Look at that roof. And until next time, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.